Tired of low yield, high cost, and long lead times in product appearance? It's time to ditch, patch, and fix traditional methods and embrace one-step, beautiful, and durable IMD technology. This isn't just a process upgrade, it's a manufacturing revolution. Unlike complex and polluting approaches like water transfer printing and spray painting, IMD integrates decoration directly into the molding process, cutting steps, reducing waste, and lowering costs. It also uses eco-friendly solid films, eliminating VOC emissions and supporting green production. IMD delivers high-quality, fully decorated parts in minutes, not days, ideal for fast-paced markets. It handles complex 3D shapes with realistic textures like metal or wood, while adding scratch resistance and touch functionality. Choose IMD for smarter manufacturing, stronger competitiveness, and a more sustainable future.